So I'm here today to share with you all a few things that I picked up from the SHOPMISSA website, as well as something that I treated myself to for Christmas. But I'm going to share with you what I got from SHOPMISSA first. So I'm going to start by digging this bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, wondering what is MGA going to pull out of a SHOPMISSA bag this time. Yes, very small and a very quick haul. So let's see what I can pull out the bag first. Oh my gosh. So the first thing up out my bag is going to be some more makeup brushes that I purchased. Yes, I purchased these AOA studio brushes before in the past. In fact, I purchased the whole 24 piece set. And you get 24 brushes for $20, but I went back and I purchased the 12 set on the PM side of the brushes for $10. So you're getting 12 brushes for $10. Absolutely do love the quality on these brushes. They have super exceeded my expectations many times over, and hence the reason why I bought them again. The sole core purpose of me honestly purchasing this brush set again was for the let me find it in here. This right, dolls, let me tell y'all, this highlighter brush right here. When I tell you this brush stays sold out on the SHOPMISSA website, it stays sold out. This brush is made specifically for just applying your highlighter. So whether you're doing a liquid highlighter or a powdered highlighter, that's what this brush is for. It's densely packed, so when you do put your highlighter, it doesn't put too much product on it one time. You know, it diffuses it out, and that's what I had loved about this highlighter brush. And I've been waiting honestly for the past few months for them to restock it, but it stays sold out. So that's why I bought the 12-piece brush set again. So I got that. That was that. So the next thing about the bag is I got a few accessories. One of the first ones I want to show you is this layered necklace set. Let me take it out of the plastic so you don't get the glare. I bought this layered necklace set. It's in a gold tone. I think it's super cute, and what attracted me most to this was the pearl detail that was on the necklace, so I picked that up. The next thing I want to share with you all is these Gucci inspired earrings, and as soon as I saw these, I snatched them up quick fast and take them out the packaging so I can show it to you. Look at these right here. These are the Gucci inspired earrings. They green and they red, you know, with the green and red stripe, and it has little tassels on it and a little star pose, and it's in a gold tone. So you know I was going to snatch these up. I'm showing you one, but your girl brought about maybe 5 of these, maybe a little bit more. So the next thing about the bag I want to share with you is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. Now with this, I'm not sure how this is going to work. My first time getting it. It is a face setting powder. I bought it in the color called Banana. Not sure if it's going to work. This is my first time using it, but I definitely will, as usual, come back and let you dolls know what I think about it. But this is the face setting powder, and this is from the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. So next thing about the bag, and then my video is almost over. Next thing about the bag is I purchased this Wonder Cover concealer that looks like this right here. The color I purchased is called Bisque, but I can already see that this is going to be way too light for me. And let me put it on my hand right here for you to see. I purchased this concealer, you know, to set underneath my eyes as some highlight, but that's really bright right there. You know, that's really super bright. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it'll work, and if it does, I definitely will let y'all know. And even if it don't work, I'm really gonna let y'all know. The next thing up is the Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this color I brought is Nom Nom. It's supposed to be a nude matte color, but just like that concealer that I just showed you, I don't think I will be using this, but we'll see. This is what it's looking like right here, and I'm going to swatch it for you dolls, but it smells okay. It don't smell too bad. This one is kind of a orangey color. Now the funny thing about this is on the website they showed a swatch on a person's arm who was a woman of color, or as we say, a WOC, and it just don't look like it did on that person. So that's the color right there. I can't even say if I'm going to try to work with it. I'm just going to, I don't know. So the last few things I need to share with you are these earrings that I picked up. Now I got these to go with the layered necklace that I showed you in the beginning. Take them out the packaging real quick. These are super cute. Like, look at the pearl detail and the faux diamond that's right there on the post. I mean, aren't these just adorable? So I picked that up to match with the necklace that I showed you earlier. So I will be wearing those two together. I'm making it my own set. Another necklace that I picked up, it looks a little something like that right there. And I went on the website. You know, you gotta be really careful because that ring looked a whole lot larger on the website, but as you can see, it's a tiny little ring that goes on the necklace right there. It's still super cute, but I honestly thought on the website that this was a regular like ring size where I could have possibly maybe worn it, you know, aside from it being on the necklace. But nope, it's small, it's still cute, and I get the point of it, so I'm not mad at it. And the last thing I want to share with you from Shop Miss A is this Muse Cosmetics Smoky Eyes, and this color is called Desert. This is the color when you open it. I purchased this color because it reminds me a lot of my all-time fave MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. If you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you already know that's my #1 go-to for transition color for pretty much all my eyeshadow looks that I do. So when I saw this, I said no way, I was gonna leave it behind and find a good dupe for the MAC Saddle Brown. Looks like I got it right here. This color is called Desert, and this eyeshadow received so many positive reviews on the website. That's another inkling for why I said, well, you know, let me give it a try. So I got it, and I'm definitely gonna let y'all know about it. So that concludes the Shop Miss A portion, and the one thing that I did treat myself for Christmas, I'm gonna share with you all, give me just a second, is I purchased my Canon G7 Mark II camera. Oh my gosh, I am super excited to have finally got my hands on this camera. I kid y'all not. When earlier last year, February of 2017, I said to myself, you know what, MGA, every month you're going to put a few extra dollars aside and you're going to save, and you're going to get this camera. I could have splurged and, you know, just got it when I wanted it, but that would have slowed down other accomplishments from happening within a time. So I finally treated myself to it for Christmas. This is what it's looking like outside of the box. This is the Mark II, and actually I'm going to link the other video down in the description box below so you can see the difference in the quality of the camera that I'm recording on, which is the Canon T3i, versus this smaller Mark II camera. I got this right here, and I'm so excited to have it. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Now, if any of you might have was interested in my hair and my makeup look that I'm wearing in this video, you can always check down in the description box below for the links that will take you directly to those videos showing you, one, how I achieved this eye makeup look, and secondly, all about this gorgeous Vivica Fox hair that I am wearing. But seriously, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget, we gotta stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, y'all.